It's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth, and in today's look we are going to be talking about the fox eye trend, and I'm going to show you guys how to create that amazing look with just 2 eyeshadows for the fall. Let's get to it! Okay guys, we're going to use 2 eyeshadows and we're going to use these 5 brushes to create this eye look. So we've got our liner brush right here, we have a little shader brush right here for smudging. We have our shadow brush, we have an angled liner brush, and then we have our blender brush. The palette I'm using in particular is the Tati Beauty palette, but I just picked that one because it had an amazing dark brown and an amazing array of like a cream color. And those are the 2 shades that we need to create this eye look. So I'm gonna actually be using these 2 shades right here, and they're both matte shades, and that's what we're gonna use to create our fox eye look. I've already gone in and applied all my base makeup, and for eye primer today, I've used this Anastasia Beverly Hill eye primer. I'm going to go in with this Morphe shadow brush right here, and I'm gonna use that to apply the base color all over the lid, and then we're gonna blend it out. So our base color today is going to be this color right here, which is this matte cream shade. So we're just gonna tap into that. We're gonna definitely tap that off. I'm gonna concentrate this on the inner corner and take it all over the lid. And we will blend that out. I'm now going to go in with this Morphe blending brush, and I'm going to blend out, smoke out that cream colored shadow. So with small circular motions, I'm just blending out that shadow. That's perfect. I haven't talked to you guys a lot about shadow shields, but we're gonna need them for today's video just to get a very clean line. These are shadow shields. I picked these up on Amazon and they look like this. So easy. All you do is you peel off the sticker on the back. The other part here also comes off too, but we're not gonna need that for today's look. I'm literally going in and putting that right under my eye, leaving just a little bit of space right there for shadow. And I'm giving it from the corner of my eye that clean line, which is gonna give us that clean line and just a slight curve to give us our fox eye effect. So when applying the second eye shield, you just always want to make sure that you've got it the same as the other one. So I think we're good. I'm now going to go in with a small tapered shadow brush from Morphe. And we're just tapping in lightly to that dark brown matte eyeshadow shade. We're literally just following that line about half the way up the eye shield, and we're just going to blend it into the eyelash line halfway. I'm going to pick up just a tiny bit more of that product. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more of that product and widen that line. I'm now going to go in with this Morphe blending brush, and I'm going to blend that dark brown matte shadow. With small circular motions, I am just blending out that shadow that we just put on our lash line. Now that we have that pretty much smoked out, I'm just going to go in with the same brush that I dipped into for the brown. I'm going to take a little bit more color, and I'm just going to apply that back into the lash line to deepen up our base. So I'm just applying just a little bit, just strictly to the lash line area. just like that. I'm gonna go in with the blending brush, the same one that I just used, and just blend that in slightly. I'm going to take the leftover powder that's left on my brush. We're not tapping back into the pan, and I'm just gonna go and run that over my lower lash line. Just about 2/3 of the way. I'm taking that exact same blending brush and I'm just going to run that over my lower lash line to blend that out. Okay guys, so now we're going to remove our shadow shield. So we're just going to take it and we're just pulling it up just like that. Now I'm going to go in, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. So now to clean up the harsh line underneath and also the winged line, we are going to go in with our exact same blending brush. The only difference is that we're going to take our leftover shadow shield. Let's put it right there. And we're just going to basically swirl off any excess that we have from that brown shadow onto the brush. So now that this is relatively clean, we're going to take that and go under the eye. We're just going to blend with little swiping motions under the eye just to blend out that harsh line, smoke it out. We're going to take it above the eye and just go big circular motions if we feel like we need to smoke that out just a little bit more. Just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and repeat that on the other side. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna apply my Pat McGrath mascara because I'm loving this product right now. I'm gonna apply that and I will be right back. I've got my mascara on. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup by Mario brown eye pencil. I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced angled brush and I'm just gonna smudge that out. Just like that. I'm gonna go in, repeat steps on the other side. I'm just gonna go in and pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup by Mario liquid liner and I'm just gonna clean up the waterline and extend it that fox eye. Okay guys, now that I've gone in and I've created that little V to give it that fox eye effect, I'm gonna do that on the other side. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with my Master Pigment Pro pencil by Makeup by Mario in Super Black. I'm just gonna go in and line my waterline and tight line the top. For those of you that don't know what tight lining means, it means going in and lining the top of your lash line underneath the lashes. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed it. This basically completes the eye look. I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in the color Beaming and throw that on. Brings us to the end of our video. Hopefully you loved it, this amazing fox eye look. Let me know in the comments down below, hit me up. Remember guys, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. I've got another huge giveaway on Friday, so to be entered into that giveaway, you need to follow me on Instagram, click right there, and definitely be subscribed to the channel, click right there, and comment down below. Okay guys, live, love, lip gloss.